Tech Talk 2000 video, and today we're going to be doing something really special. We're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it's been a long time since it was released, but I managed to get my hands on this one right now. So I said, what the hell, let's just do it. So to confess, I've already taken off the top cover, and because I could not find a knife, let's just open this thing up. So as you know, Apple always does this thing where the unboxing is really cool. Gentle enough to feel awesome, but amazing enough to be quiet. And there we have it, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So you lift off this tab and the phone comes out. This thing is beyond beautiful. This thing is amazing. It's a work of art. So before I get to the phone, I'm gonna put this aside. I'm going to unbox the rest of the thing. So you have this, designed by Apple in California, some documentation and some Apple stickers. Then you have some wired earpods. I really don't like those, but it's the least you could do. They have the typical lightning cable. So you have the normal Apple charging brick along with the new cable that they introduced, which instead of using USB Type A, uses USB Type B to their lightning cable. What else is there in the box? So the box is now empty. So let's come over to the smartphone. Oh my god, this is so smooth. And the triple cameras in just a place that it looks awesome. But one thing I do have a bit of complaint about is actually the camera bump. So if you look at that, that is one massive camera bump. So I mean, it isn't as obvious, but it's still there. I wish Apple would improve that. And you have your typical buttons, silent buttons, and then the notch on the display. So how about we power this thing up? So this is my first time using an iPhone, so I think this is the power button, maybe, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go, the famous Apple boot up animation. And it has booted up with the same Apple, well, this is my first, it's already ready. So I'm gonna go set this thing up.